Hey there, Fire TV enthusiasts. Are you struggling with audio issues on your Amazon Fire TV stick? You're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through several effective strategies on Amazon Fire TV stick, how to fix sound or audio issue. Whether you're dealing with no audio, desynced sound, or muffled output, there's a method here to get your streams back on track. Step 1. Check your connection. First things first, let's start with the basics. Often the problem might be as simple as a loose connection. Check if your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the Fire TV stick and your television. Additionally, ensure that the TV is properly set to the correct HDMI input. Tip: try switching the HDMI port on your TV to see if the audio issue persists. Sometimes a faulty port is the culprit. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. If your connections are all set, the next step is to look at the audio settings on your Fire TV stick. Navigate to Settings, Display and Sounds, Audio. Here, switch the settings from Dolby Digital Plus to Stereo. Some TVs or sound systems may not support Dolby Digital Plus, so changing this setting can resolve audio issues. Tip: if you have external speakers or a soundbar, check if their settings align with what your Fire TV stick outputs. Step 3. Restart your devices. A classic fix for tech woes. Restart everything. Unplug your Fire TV stick from the HDMI port and power source. Wait about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Also, restart your TV and any audio equipment you're using. Tip: regularly restarting your devices can prevent many issues before they arise. Step 4. Update your software. Ensuring your Fire TV stick is running the latest software can fix audio glitches due to outdated firmware. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates, and follow any prompts to update your device. This simple step can resolve compatibility issues with audio codecs or device drivers. Step 5. Check third-party app settings. If the sound issue only occurs with certain apps, the problem might be with the app itself. Open the app and explore its settings for any audio configurations that could interfere with playback. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to see if that resolves the issue. Tip: clearing the app cache can also help in some cases. Navigate to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, select the app, and choose Clear Cache. Dealing with sound problems is never, but by following these steps, you should have your audio woes under control. Whether it was an issue with connections, settings, or updates, we hope this guide on Amazon Fire TV stick, how to fix sound or audio issue, was helpful in restoring your streaming experience back to normal. Remember, if none of these methods work, it may be time to consider contacting Amazon support for more in-depth troubleshooting. Enjoy uninterrupted entertainment and happy streaming.